Hey, I just wanted to put this in. It's Sunday morning, as I always do, but here's the deal. In the video, you're going to see the T-posts that were in there, and they're tall. And some of you are going to jump on the keyboard right now and say, well, why didn't you cut them flat? Yes, I could have cut them off, or I could have had the tree company cut them. He left them in because they were growing at an extreme angle, and he wanted me to know they were there and where they were going, instead of just cutting them, and I would have thought they went in straight. And another thing is, too, I left them in there because I wanted it to be a little challenge for my son to learn to grind it. Okay, so there's multiple ways to do things. This is how I taught him to do it, and how I wasn't taught. It's how I learned myself how to do it from years and years doing stumps. I'm very good at it just because I've had a lot of trial and error. Don't think that I've never broken a tooth or hit the pipe or anything like that. I'm human too. I have mess ups. And I got a question I wanted to answer. I made a short of this. I'll link it in the description of the short so you could see fully what the stump looked like when we walked around it, okay? It's the one that says FOOBAR on it, on the YouTube short, okay? What I want to know is, you want to win a sticker. Some guy said, yeah, I've been trying and I haven't won or whatever. Answer to me what FOOBAR means. It's a World War II word. And if you can Google it, or you can watch Saving Private Ryan and learn what it was. So honestly, it's open to whoever in the comment. I'll give you a sticker. Either one, the stump grinding one or the one, a blue collar millionaire. The first, let's say, 10 people to answer the question FOOBAR. What does FOOBAR mean? All right. Anyway, watch the video. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. You're welcome to put a thumbs down or thumbs up, as long as you have some constructive criticism. And one more quick thing. Some people don't like the shorts that I put up, or perhaps it's the music with the shorts. You know, the shorts that I put up is what we're doing during the week. Just some of the jobs. We do 6 to 10 jobs a day. But it's just some fun between my son and I. You know, he's younger, and he's always in the shorts. This one video, you'll get to see him. All right. He's kind of camera shy. He's not camera shy in the shorts because he doesn't even know when I'm doing it. All right. He's camera shy right now, and I'll start introducing you to him more. And I just love him. He's my son. Watch the video. Thanks, man. Hey, I need to share with something today. I'm teaching my son about, he knows how to grind stumps that have one maybe piece of steel in it, or a pole or pipe. This is a tricky one a tree company sent us to, and wonderful guy, Hayden, and he didn't drop a bomb on me. He sent me a picture of it. He said he knew I could do it. So I want to share with you how to do this for a new guy, okay? And my son's grinding it right now, but when we get close to the pipe part, I want to show you. Nobody else is going to show you, so I just got told twice this week that nobody wants my advice, all right? If I can help one of you, I've done my job in life, okay? So let me shut this off, wait till my son does. What we're doing is a preliminary grind. We're grinding all the way around the stump. Then we're surgically going to start cutting this out. All right, so hang with me. And when he's done with the major part, I'll get back with you. We'll talk about it. My son Brandon, the guy you see in the YouTube shorts all the time. Anyway, he's learning today. Normally we'd go around one. Here it is. We got a maple with 2. These are T-posts. He ground all the way around. It was probably about 45 inch stump, roots and all. He ground all the way around it. And now what we have to do is, I call it surgery, okay? Now, I've got a new Revolution wheel on there. Some of you maybe have a green teeth wheel on it. Green teeth, you have to be real careful, because if you hit too hard here, you'll break a pocket bolt or tooth. So, on the machine, let me show you. On stump grinders, this is a hydraulic driven one, but on your belt driven side, and then you have a side that should be free and clear, okay? So this side here that's free and clear, opposite of the pump, actually motor, that side is what we'll run here. We'll get as close as we can. Surgically cut that, go around, same thing here, cut here, go around on this side. So we're gonna perform surgery. Hang with me, we'll come back in a few minutes and see where we're at. Look at here, one down. All the metal's out, we'll grind that. All we got is that one there. Just surgery all the way around. See? You can see the line already right there where it's cracked. You could probably pop it with an axe. We'll try. We'll get it out. All right, they came out. We ground each side, shook them a little bit. They came right out. Okay, so don't get scared. Nobody really wanted to do this stump. Piece of cake, mind over matter. Please, if it helps someone else out on this deal, give me a thumbs up and a like, make a positive comment. I know someone's going to say, well, don't worry about the metal, it's carbide. Yes, those are strong teeth on the new river, but the carbide's on a, look, I'm going to show you. Even a little bit of piece here snapped out. All right, this stuff here, no problem. You take a little bit of an edge. See, it's still. This side here is your strong side on the T-post because it's got this extra metal where the notches are for it to go down. So remember, this is the tough side to be grinding against. If you have to, you can go against these thin points. Anyway, God bless you and have a good one, okay? See you in the next one. Hopefully I taught somebody something. You know, a close family member of mine says nobody wants my damn advice. God bless them all too. See you.